This is another sign of the times, an analysis, and a commentary. Genesis, chapter 1. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. 2. And the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. 3. And God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. Kepler Spacecraft finds new super-Earth some 180 light-years away. A year and a half after a pointing failure threatened to derail its epical search for worlds beyond our solar system, NASA's Kepler spacecraft has bagged another planet. Astronomers have announced the new planet is 20,000 miles in diameter, about 2.5 times the size of Earth, and 12 times as massive, putting it into a category of planets called super-Earths that do not exist in our solar system. It is unlivable, circling a star slightly smaller than the Sun, about 180 light-years from here, in the constellation Pisces, at the roasting distance of only 8.4 million miles, less than a tenth of the distance between us and our star. Kepler was designed to stare at a patch of stars for 4 years and watch for blinks caused by planets passing in front of them. Early in 2013, however, one of the reaction wheels that keep the telescope pointed stopped working. Engineers figured out a way to compensate using the pressure of sunlight on Kepler's solar panels to stabilize the spacecraft for smaller periods of time. During a 9-day test run in February with the telescope, a team led by Andrew Vandenberg of the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics detected a planet passing in front of a star known as HIP 116454. Follow-up observations with ground-based telescopes and the Canadian MOST satellite confirmed the presence of a planet, which astronomers said was probably a water world, or a mini-Neptune, with a small core and a billowing gaseous atmosphere. They will keep searching, but there is only one Earth. Again, Genesis, chapter 1, verse 4. And God saw the light, that it was good, and God divided the light from the darkness. 5. And God called the light day, and the darkness he called night, and the evening and the morning were the first day. 6. And God said, "Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters." 7. And God made the firmament, and divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament. And it was so. 8. And God called the firmament heaven, and the evening and the morning were the second day. 9. And God said, "Let the waters under the heaven be gathered together unto one place, and let the dry land appear." And it was so. 10. And God called the dry land earth, and the gathering together of the waters called he seas. And God saw that it was good. 11. And God said, "Let the earth bring forth grass, the herb yielding seed, and the fruit tree yielding fruit after his kind, whose seed is in itself upon the earth." And it was so. 12. And the earth brought forth grass, and herb yielding seed after his kind, and the tree yielding fruit, whose seed was in itself after his kind. And God saw that it was good. everything is connected, and everything is numbered. And all these are more signs. It's also time for the spiritual and physical manifestation of the book of Revelation.